How to hide your TikTok account from your contacts. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let me guide you to hide TikTok profile from phone contacts. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch TikTok app. Make sure you log in to your account and navigate to profile icon at bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap three-line menu icon at top right corner. From the menu, tap on setting and privacy from the bottom of your screen. Here select privacy option. Navigate to suggest your account to others and make sure that you turn off the button for contacts, Facebook friends, and people who open or send links to you. Once done, this will hide TikTok profile from phone contacts. Furthermore, you need to come back and tap on sync contacts and Facebook friends and make sure you toggle off the button for sync contacts. And if you have any previously synced contacts, you can tap remove previously synced contacts and remove all phone contacts. You can even sync Facebook friends or turn it off, and with that you will successfully hide TikTok profile from phone contacts. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.